The worst word in the world is war. Was my pronunciation good? Oh, what's up?
Hey, what's up? How are you, man?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm talking with my teacher online.
Your teacher?
Video, yeah.
No, are you kidding me?
No,
Are you kidding me, man?
It's a new program.
New program?
12 minutes a day.
No.
California English School.
Yeah.
Do you know this school?
No,
It's new school.
No, I never heard that.
So good.
So what's happened? You talk with your teacher?
Yeah, it's like the class but online. Not face to face, but
okay.
with the webcam.
It's every day? Oh.
Yeah, 12 minutes a day.
Nice.
So
you have to.
Let's be work on my English.
Okay.
See
you guys.